Hi, this is Chad the Van Man with Sherry Vans. Today we are going to be having a look at a 2024 Ram ProMaster that we've got that's been upfitted with a rear ramp. So this would be good for like a medical transport company, if you're transporting around people in wheelchairs, or you could just use this for a small business for delivering stuff. So let's have a look. So outside just looks like a pretty commercial van here, all white. The nice thing about these ProMasters is you have this huge sliding door here that's 50 inches wide, 65 inches tall, so you can get right up into it very easily. And this has what they call the smart floor. So there's these machined aluminum tracks all throughout the floor that you can put your tie downs in for the wheelchairs. So you can see right here we've got 2 sets of them, Q-strength tie downs. So this is like a fancy ratchet strap. Pull this little red tab. You can pull this out and hit the red tab here and pull it in, or you can turn this knob and click them in one click at a time. Pull that little tab, you could slide that in, put that tie down wherever you want to on this track. That's for all of them. And then we've got the seat belts here, 4 of them in the back. But all of the Ram ProMasters are front wheel drive, so there's no drive shaft running back here to the rear axle. So you'll see here behind the driver and passenger seat, this floor actually drops like ½ a foot, and that ½ a foot is just going to be added to the inside. So inside here we've got 6'2" interior height, so most people are going to be able to walk around in here without hitting their head. It has 3 seats here in the back, and these are on little track things too. So you squeeze these handles, release those chairs. You can pull them right out of here if you want. If you want to put the chairs in the back, you can. If you want to put them all 3 in one row down the side, you want to stagger them. However you want to put these chairs in here, you can put them in here. Nice running board there. Back, it does have reverse sensors and reverse camera. And this has a power kneel feature on it right here. You just hold this button and the van kneels down. So that's going to make this grade on this ramp a lot easier to get a wheelchair or a dolly or whatever you're putting in here. But the ramp is all aluminum, and it is got these hydraulic pistons here to assist it, so it's really easy to lift and work on your own. It's probably, if I was to guess, I would say about 8, maybe 9 foot long. But it's got these holes in it, so you're not going to slip on this. And then we've got the like sandpaper grip on that. Really nice. Lots of applications for something like this, you know, for business or transporting people in wheelchairs around. You could even get like gurney tie downs and stuff for in here, and have gurney in there too. So we sell a lot of these. That just snaps right in. And then the power kneel on this, as soon as you close these doors, it starts to lift back up, and it does it pretty fast. All back up. All the windows here in the back are already dark from the factory, so there's not like a window tint film on this. They're made that color by Ram. This does have all the technology stuff that's with the 2024, so you can just push that button to unlock the door as long as you have the key fob on you. There's a blind side indication system. Someone's in your blind spot, that's going to light up. Got front collision sensors here and stuff for I believe it's got adaptive cruise control on it. So the first comment beneath this video is a link to the listing. On the listing you can actually look at the window sticker and you can see all those factory options from Ram. So all the seats on these ProMasters are manual. A little handle here to slide it forward and back. These little handles will raise and lower the back and front parts of the cushion. This one reclines it, and that one's lumbar. Got a running board there too. So inside here we've got power fold on the mirrors. They're also power adjustable, and I've never seen a vehicle that does this before, but it's actually power adjustable for the bottom part of it as well. It's pretty neat. We've got Bluetooth controls here, cruise controls here. Here's a climate for the rear. Electric parking brake, which I have set. It says have a select shift transmission, so you take it down here to drive, push it over. Let's see where it says 2-3 there. You can manually change the gears. It's a 9-speed transmission. And then when you put it in reverse, giant display there. That's 10.5 inches. This also has the digital rear view. So you can turn that off, make it to a regular mirror, or hit that, and it's digital. And this has the Uconnect 5. So it has navigation on it. It's provided by TomTom, and you can control all the climate stuff from right here on the dash. If you want to turn that up and down, you can, and you could do it down here as well. There is a little wireless phone charger right there, and then here you can turn off like the parking sensors and stuff. This also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can pair your phone up to it and use the maps and stuff right from your phone if you don't want to use the TomTom navigation. So very nice van. Again, I'm Chad the Van Man. We are Sherry Vans of Piqua, Ohio. If you got any questions on this van or any of these other vans I've got out here on the lot, my personal contact info is in the first comment below this video, Chad the Van Man. And also there's a link to the listing to this van where we've got like 3 dozen photos of it. You can look at the manufacturer's window sticker, pricing be on there as well. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks folks.